Hello students, today we will discuss about flotation and sinking. So to understand this topic, we need to remember two forces act on a body. Number one, weight. Number two, buoyant force. So weight of the body always acts vertically downward, whereas buoyant force of the liquid always acts vertically upward. So here are two conditions. In the first diagram we can see that weight of the object is less than buoyant force. That is the reason object is floating. And in the second diagram we can see that weight of the object is more than buoyant force. That is the reason that object is sinking. So here are three cases. In case 1, the body floats partly submerged. In case 2, the body floats just inside the liquid surface. And in case 3, we can see that the body sinks. Now let me tell you why these things are happening. In case 1, we can see clearly that the weight of the body is less than buoyant force. That is the reason it is partly submerged. In case 2, weight of the body is equal to the buoyant force of the liquid. That is the reason the body floats just inside the liquid surface. And in case 3, the weight of the body is more than the buoyant force of the liquid. So that is the reason why it is sinking. So here it has been given in conceptual form that when buoyant force will be equal to weight, the object will float and it will stay at its rest condition. When buoyant force will be greater than weight, then the object will move upward direction. And when buoyant force will be less than weight, then the object will move towards downward direction. Now let me demonstrate you with an example. We all know this thing, even we have seen also that iron nail sinks but iron ship floats. How is it possible? Okay, so let me tell you. The weight of the nail is more than the buoyant force of water on it. That is the reason why nail sinks in water. On the other hand, the ship is hollow and the empty space contains air, and this is the reason why the average density of ship is less than that of water. So therefore a ship floats on water. Thank you.